Peggy 18.
Hi, my name is Paul Vlassi and I am the lead PC engineer on Watch Dogs. During the last years of development, we have worked closely with Nvidia in order to create the most vivid and breathtaking Chicago possible for the PC version of Watch Dogs. One of the technologies that allowed us to achieve this level of quality is an Nvidia technique called HBAO+, which stands for Horizon-Based Ambient Occlusion. HBAO Plus improves upon existing AO techniques to add richer, more detailed and realistic shadows around objects that occlude rays of light. HBAO Plus is faster, more efficient, and significantly better compared to previous techniques. To address smaller details and increase the visual quality of Watch Dogs, we also used Nvidia's TXAA technology. TXAA is a new, cinematic-style anti-aliasing technique designed specifically to reduce temporal aliasing like crawling and flickering that you may sometimes see in motion when playing a game. While there is movement on the screen, TXAA will reduce the visual noise of flickering across game elements like fences, cables, grass, or trees. These exclusive technologies are one of the many tools that allowed us to create an immersive and beautiful version of Watch Dogs. By working with Nvidia, we really want to make sure PC gamers will be able to enjoy and explore the most realistic and visually stunning world environment ever created, the Windy City like you've never seen it before. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you in Chicago on May 27th.